my previous videos, you would have known that my brother and his family is coming to Canada for the first time. Going to the airport to pick them up. Really excited. But before I go to the airport, I'm going to the college to pick up Nats. Because Nats is at the college. The Andersons is getting featured by the college. So they're doing a quick photo shoot with Nats. Just to put on the website and stuff. So I'm gonna go and see what's going on. Alright guys, so come along. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Yes, so this is a model. How does it feel to be a model? Sure. Yes guys, so we're on our way to the airport right now to pick up these guys. Are you excited? Come on, what this way? This way is shorter. Yes guys, so come along guys, come along for the ride. What?
It's very exciting. Let us see a grand God boss.
This is as excited as I'm gonna get. This is it, nothing more. Come on, this way.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice. Not sleeping well. And I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. Even if you're gone, I won't forget you. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. Even if you're gone, I will remember. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. If I could lay down beside you,
What?
I would.
Hi.
Hi, come here.
Nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do.
You have a Malay?
Welcome to Canada, Russia.
That I will see you soon.
Where you cry for?
Beside you, I would.
Where you cry for?
If I could lay down beside you, I would.
Are you okay? Long flight.
Tired.
I know, hopefully by
That's
the
all
time.
I hope that you
Welcome to Grand Prairie.
that I will see you soon.
Shower
If I
cold.
could lay down beside you,
So, as you guys know already, this guy right here says my brother making it to Canada for the first time. How was the flight?
First time for everything.
Look at me. Yeah, you look kind of dry after waiting. How was the flight?
Exhausted.
So if you guys don't know, this is his first time traveling at all. Never traveling in life. You know what my life key look like?
mean I've never traveled in my life? I've taken bus and taxi. What's wrong with that? No, it's a little colder.
Little bit cooler?
Colder.
Really?
Oh God, come
Of course.
Really?
I mean,
No. It feel like AC?
You guys don't need AC.
It's burning up. I have an AC right now. We're burning up right now. And legit like we're burning up right now.
What is the outside? What is the outside temperature now?
24 degrees.
You know what's the temperature in Jamaica now?
Probably 30.
In the 30s.
No man, this
You cannot compare 24 degrees to a 30 degree.
no man, this is warm. This is very warm. Everybody right now burn up.
This feel like burning.
It's always amazing when I hear them think that.
Well, because I've gotten acclimatized to the weather over here.
You know, so Russia still buy the patty after I'm telling her friend to buy it, babes. And them take it to the airport.
I didn't remember.
There's not much to do.
But I was
Is thinking about you.
Yeah.
Not doing well. Don't know where you are. 'Cause you're not it. It's
Bad?
been way too long.
Oh, where I go?
If I could
What's wrong with it?
lay
Oh, this
down
way.
beside you, I would.
This way, Russia.
When nothing really matters.
Oh, you want the bottom of the
That's all I
Russia?
want to do.
Bottom of the Russia, right? So let's go
That
right
you were
here.
safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would.
Yes guys, so we're now in bottom of the world.
We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice. Not sleeping well. And I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you.
Hey guys, welcome back. So we have not been vlogging. Say hi. We have not been vlogging for a couple days, guys, but we're back at it. In the background right there, guys, that's my brother going shopping for the first time here in Canada. Yeah, still getting accustomed to the weather, so it's the winter jacket and stuff. Yo, big up your people.
We have a long way to go.
Rachel, come on, bless up the Anderson's family, man. Yeah. Yes, guys, so we're at Superstore. You know that's where we go to. So we're gonna go and push that here for you. We're gonna go and do some shopping, guys. Come on. Guys, this is my niece. I've never met her before 2 days ago. How old are you, Zuri? How old are you? Yeah? How old are you? Ah, she's acting shy. She's acting shy. You're at Superstore. Let's go, guys. Let's see how much this is gonna come to.
I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I can lay down beside you, I would.
No, doing this. Like she said, like I've been here for 10 minutes. And I'll report it to whatever for being a damn police.
You're lucky. Yeah. Let me ask you a question, Rachel. So you've been here now for a couple of days. What is your first impression of Grand Prairie?
First time. Well, actually, I am not new to Grand Prairie because I've seen it on the vlog. So
Good answer. Good answer.
It is how it was.
Yeah. Yeah, guys, that's the best answer she can give. Which one of them flavor your Malika do you like again? Banana? 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 You didn't cry for it? Good job. That's what I'm talking about.
You're growing to be a big girl.
But the training about the police.
Yeah. The other one. They're closed already. I'll have to be selective. Brother, take up a farm line level now, change it.
A lot of
Sorry.
Big girl size.
Yeah, we grow size. 2 to 5.
We're not going to take up on this.
Also, these are some of
Yes, if that's supposed to be mango. It says mango, right? Say goodbye to East Indian. And what we got Edmonton. Thank you, Loy. We got some East Indian and mango. We end up leaving it. You leaving one. I go to Michelle Longman one same time.
what are these supposed to?
This is kiwi.
This is. Yeah. So that's the problem where you still have out on the pier. Oh, we're not gonna get so. Everything you touch, I get shot. Everything. Anything you touch a sheet, you touch the door, the chair, everything. I'm gonna buy the big one for this. This one?
Even the milk, the drink, you know?
Which one?
Just like water.
This
and
one?
Natural
Mine.
juice, like,
This one?
Make it juice.
Mine.
The juice.
I know it's yours, Malika. We all know it's yours.
No
It's
problem.
yours. Yeah, bro. Man, what can I tell you?